Hello and welcome to this video on the PSPO 1 Key Focus Areas. In this video, you'll be provided with an overview of the 5 key focus areas of knowledge which are necessary to successfully pass the PSPO 1 exam. You need to understand the content of each focus area. This will help you respond to multiple choice, true or false, and scenario-based questions in these focus areas. Scrum.org has developed professional Scrum competencies to guide individuals in their personal development, while also serving as a valuable framework for assessing a team's capabilities within an organization. Building proficiency with Scrum begins with mastering the fundamentals, understanding and applying the Scrum framework as the foundation upon which other competency areas are built. These competencies and their focus areas are relevant to Scrum team members, including the product owner, Scrum Master, developers, and other organizational roles like Agile leaders. Organizations can leverage a shared understanding of these competencies and focus areas to evaluate and balance their team's skills based on specific needs. This video provides an overview of the 5 key focus areas of knowledge essential for successfully passing the PSPO 1 certification exam. The first focus area is about understanding and applying the Scrum framework. Gain an understanding of empiricism, a philosophy emphasizing that knowledge is derived from experience, experimentation, and observation. Recognize its significance in Scrum and learn how to approach complex problems compared to simpler ones. Develop a thorough understanding of the 5 Scrum values: courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness, and their application in fostering an effective and collaborative environment. Familiarize yourself with the structure and roles of a Scrum team, which comprises the product owner, developers, and Scrum Master, each contributing to the success of Scrum projects. Understand the purpose of essential Scrum events, including the sprint, sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective, and their role in maintaining a cohesive workflow. Learn to define and apply the 3 core Scrum artifacts: the product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment, while grasping the importance of the definition of done in ensuring clarity and quality. Understand the benefits of scaling Scrum, exploring its purpose and how it enhances productivity and collaboration across larger teams and organizations. Next, let's look at the second focus area, which is about developing people and teams. Understand the definition and key characteristics of self-managing teams and their role in fostering autonomy and accountability. Explore various leadership styles and their relevance to the product owner role. Gain a clear understanding of Agile leadership principles and the distinctions and overlaps between leaders and managers. Learn the principles, techniques, and skills required for effective facilitation, enabling productive team interactions and decision-making. Understand the principles, traits, and skills associated with coaching, along with its benefits in enhancing the performance and growth of Scrum teams. Explore teaching methods, principles, and practical applications, and understand the advantages they bring to Scrum teams in fostering continuous learning and improvement. The third focus area is about managing products with agility. Gain knowledge of Agile tools and techniques, such as burn-down charts, probabilistic forecasts, story mapping, and road mapping to support effective forecasting and release planning. Understand the concept of a product vision, including its defining characteristics, communication methods, and alignment with business strategy. Develop expertise in measuring, identifying, and maximizing product value to ensure alignment with organizational goals. Learn the fundamentals of product backlog management, including essential activities, goal formulation, and prioritization techniques for effective Scrum practices. Understand how to identify and engage key stakeholders, address common stakeholder management challenges, and recognize the importance of stakeholder collaboration in Scrum processes. This is a short but important area of focus. Key areas addressed include emergent software development, managing technical risks, continuous quality improvement, continuous integration or continuous delivery, CI or CD, Optimizing workflow. This final focus area emphasizes three key areas: organizational design and culture, portfolio planning, evidence-based management. Here's a recap of important pointers covered in this video. Focus Area 1 has the following key areas: empiricism, Scrum values, Scrum team, Scrum events, Scrum effects, and scaling Scrum. Next, Focus Area 2 has the following key areas: self-managing teams, leadership styles, facilitation, coaching, and teaching and mentoring. Focus Area 3 revolves around the following key areas: forecasting and release planning, product vision, product value, product backlog management, and stakeholders. Focus Area 4 is short and has the following key areas: emergent software development, managing technical risks, continuous quality improvement, CI/CD, and optimizing workflow. Finally, Focus Area 5 has three key areas: organizational design and culture, portfolio planning, and evidence-based management.